Hello, this is a build out over on Waverly. This was an existing garage apartment shell that we did some repairs to. We added these door covers over the two doors because the rain was getting in. They didn't put the painting correctly. And then we also rebuilt the stairs because they weren't built to code and it was hard to walk up them. Don't know how they got it inspected. This is coming off the alley. We had to get alley approval. And so this is a home gym. We had to put the plumbing and power in for a future kitchen right over here. Nice tile work. And this is pretty cool. We got a scrap piece of the granite to make the bench. A cool little niche. So the owner outsourced this rubber flooring, which was pretty cool. And so we're handing over the keys today.